On sunlit rooftops, a quiet engineer harvests rainwater, turning scattered droplets into a city's lifeblood for drought times. Each panel and gutter becomes a canvas as she designs filtration, storage, and gravity-fed systems that never waste a drop. She recalls storms that flooded freeways and imagines a future where every building shares a resilient, shimmering water quilt. Neighbors watch as her rain gardens bloom, and schoolchildren learn how weather meets architecture in liquid harmony. Her work blends science and art, proving practical sustainability can feel poetic when cities listen to the rain.